Good morning to all. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to solve the Introduction to Machine Learning of SWAYAM NPTEL Week 2 Assignment 2 questions, which last date is 5 February 2025. Okay, the details are given below. Now, let's start the questions here. You can see Week 2 Assignment 2, and there are near about 10 questions are given. Okay, and we will try to solve the 10 questions one by one. Let's start the first question here. See, in a linear regression model, y equal to this one, what is the purpose of adding intercept term theta 0? Four options are given. The most suitable answer is 1. Option C, to adjust for a baseline level of the dependent variable when all the predictors are 0. Okay, this is the purpose. Moving to the question number 2, which of the following is true about the cost function, that is objective function used in a linear regressions? That is the which one is true? The true is the two option C, that is it measures the sum of square difference between a predicted and actual values. This is the true options. Moving to the question number 3, which of these would most likely indicate the lasso regressions in a better choice than race regressions? That is, only a few features are truly relevant. 3. Option D is the right answer. Moving to the question number 4, which of the following conditions must hold for the least square estimator in a linear regression to be unbiased? So, which of the following condition must hold? The condition is the error must have a mean of 0. Error must have a mean of 0. 4. Option C. Moving to the question number 5, when performing a linear regression, which of the following is most likely to cause overfitting? Most likely to cause overfitting means include the irrelevant predictors in this model. Option 5B. Moving to the question number 6, you have a trained complex regression model on a dataset. To reduce, means to minimize its complexity, you decide to apply the right regressions, the ridge regression using a regularization parameter lambda. How does the relationship between the bias and the variance changes as lambda becomes very large? Select the correct options. 4 options are given. Out of the 4 options, the most suitable is when bias is high. See, when bias is high, variance is low. When bias is high, variance is low. That is option C. Bias is high, then the variance is low. Going to the question number 7, one problem question is there, given a training data set of 10,000 instances. Okay, with each input instance having 12 dimensions and each output instance is having 3 dimensions. Okay, the dimensions of the design matrix used in the applying linear regression to these data is how much? It is 10,000 is given. Okay, and number of is 3, and year of, that is it will be 10,000 into 13. 7. Option C, 10,000 into 13s. Moving to the question number 8, the linear regression model, this is to be fitted to a set of n training data points having p attributes each. Let be n into p plus 1 vector of input values augmented by 1s by bn into 1 vector of target values and theta bb plus 1 into 1 vector of parameter values, this much. If the sum squared error is minimized for obtain the optimal regressions models, which of the following equation hold? This equation means x t x theta x to the power t y. Okay, this equation holds. 8. Option D. Moving to the question number 9, which of the following scenarios is the most appropriate for using partial least square PLS regression instead of a ordinary least squares OLS? Okay, 4 options. Out of the 4, the most appropriate is when there is a significant multicollinearity among predictors or the number of predictors exceeds the number of samples. 9. Option B. Moving to the last question, consider forward selections. backward selection, and best subset selections with respect to the same dataset. Which of the following is true? Out of which of the following is true? The first one is best subset selections can be computationally more expensive than forward selections. Okay, so we have already attempt the 10 questions here. Once again, we have to verify question number 1 C, question number 2 is C, question number 3 D, question number 4 is also C, question number 5 B options, question number 6 C option, question number 7 is C, question number 8 D options, question number 9 is option B, question number 10 option A. Okay, now I'm going to submit the answer of these questions. Okay, now Mrs. Kim, your answer has successfully submitted, and the last record submitted was this, due dates this. Prior to that, we have attempted all the questions. Guys, very soon we will try to attempt to solve the which week 3 assignment solutions for you. And guys, if you like this video, you can subscribe my channels and share it with your friends so the other people can be benefited. So till then, and you must take care of yourselves. Bye.